How to search for songs in Rednote. Are you looking for perfect track to match your vibe? Here's how to search for songs in Rednote in just a few taps. First, launch the Rednote app. Make sure you are logged in so you can access the full music features. Now tap the plus button at the bottom center to create a new post. Choose to record a video or upload one from your gallery. Once you choose your video, tap on select and tap on next. Now tap the music note icon usually located at the top of your editing screen. Now once you are here, tap on library. From here you can go to my collection and you will see the collected music right here. But if you want a certain song, go to discover. As it does not have the search bar, you just need to go through all of it. Just go to playlist and search from here and go back and just scroll down and just search whichever song you want from here like this. Search for it, go to view more and you will see many playlists right here, and you can see from the playlist which song you want to play like this. Now once you find the song you want, simply tap the play button to preview any track like this. Once you find the one you like, tap it again to add it to your post. And just like that, your song is added to your video and photo. So whether you are vibing, painting or just trying to go viral, finding the right song on Rednote is quick and simple. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and drop a comment with the first song you searched. Catch you in the next one.